Here we are, starting off with Thunder. So instead of Monday Nitro, and here comes the first contestant.
Making his way to the ring from Sana, Yemen, weighing in at 264 pounds, Hunter Holtz.
Hunter Holt here is gonna be fighting off against the debuting Remaster, who will be coming out next. The Remaster here it's been very impressive. The Remaster here made his WCW debut at World War III. He was the first at 21 entry and survived a lot before being eliminated. The Remaster era is going to be very difficult to try and get at, knowing how strong the man is. Oh, look at this. Start over Hunter Holt. Look at this, the Remaster and Hunter Holt. Well, starting off the contest. Oh, but the Remaster starting off with the title suggests being in the ring and being the master of Hunter Holt, but Hunter Holt knocks it down. But Hunter Holt gets kicked by the Remaster. Oh. Oh, look at this. The Remasters. Oh, look at him. He's trying to get respect from the crowd. And look at this. Oh. So the fans are not appreciating the Remasters' work. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this, the Remasters. Oh, look at that clothesline. Line right there, look at this. Look at it, he picks him up and rock bottoms him. Can he win the match like this? He's going for the cover right here too. And oh! Hunter Holt has kicked out. Oh.
Listen, that should have ended things. And look at his face. At this point, you have to believe he's losing some faith in himself.
Oh, look at this.
Able to slip out of that one. And he's in total control right now, only gaining more and more.
Oh, look at this. Wait a minute. Who's this? Wait, Sheamus. What does he do? Sheamus is not scheduled here on WCW. You Thunder. Oh, look at this, the Remaster. Oh, look at that, he kicked. Oh, look at that, he kicked down.
He can't believe it.
Oh, look at this hip toss. Oh, look at this rock bottom again. Cover to win the match right here. Contest 1, 2, 3, and the Remaster won his first match in under 4 minutes.
Here is your winner.
A valiant effort, but you can't deny
The Remasters won this match. We'll be back online with the next match airing live for the Intercontinental Championship next.
So it looks like a win-win to me. Yeah.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WCW Intercontinental Championship.
Here we are for the Intercontinental Championship. And here comes the faction that's entering the ring with one of the contestants challenging the Intercontinental Champion. And he is the leader of the group. And look at this, here comes the faction known as the Nation of Domination. Look at that. Yes, it considers it Apollo Crews, Kofi Kingston, Xavier Woods, and the man who's challenging the Intercontinental Champion, Farouk. The Nation of Domination here is looking strong. And this is the third version of the Nation of Domination. We had 2 of them from the other side, and this is the third one in the new side of WCW. Here, and look at this. While Farouk is waiting for it, here comes the Intercontinental Champion. It is K-Quick. But you can literally see him chanting, getting rowdy, then rapping with the fans. And look, at this point he's going to say get rowdy, even though the microphone is always broken, like everyone always sees it. And there we are. This match is for what the Intercontinental Championship looks like. And there. We're also going to have a contest on wCw to prove who is the 5th man to enter Starrcade for the WCW Championship. Yep. And this is a big contest to see who is the 5th man challenging the WCW champion, Brandon Collins, who will be also defending his title. But here we go. The contest is starting off. Quick. He's punching the move right there. Oh, look at this. They're locked in. And oh, look at this. Oh, what's that? Right into the corner. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Right there on the leg. Oh, right onto the leg. Remember, the Farouk's Nation of Domination is on the other side. Oh, look at this. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness. And Quick has won his match in under 3 minutes. If you thought the last one was short, this one seems shorter.
And still, WCW Intercontinental Champion,
Quick has won the match. We'll be back on for the United States Championship next.
The following contest is a Falls Count Anywhere match and is for the WCW United States Championship.
Here we are with this contest for the United States Championship with a half-an-hour time limit. It's a Falls Count Anywhere match, and here comes the challenger. It is none other than the Macho Man Randy Savage, probably known as the Macho King. At one point, he's known as the Macho Man by most counts, and he is challenging for the United States Championship. And everyone's wondering if he will retain the title, get the title from none other than this man. Known by many as Mr. America, but the most common name is Matt Johnson. There he is, Matt Johnson, with the United States Championship. You can see the tie and drawn right there. There's his achievement. Been able to retain the title multiple times from other competitors. And exactly right here, if Matt Johnson is going to prove to you that he is the man who will know how to bring and to retain his United States title, which looks like this. God bless America. Look over for you all there. As we mentioned, it's a half-an-hour time limit. So that means they have 30 minutes to try and get a good.
The champion came out here somewhat gloating their belt around.
Look at this kick. Look at this knocked down by Matt. And look at this. The Macho Man back on the floor already. Oh, look at this. Going for a slam. Oh, Macho Man counted. Oh, look at this. Matt Johnson. Oh, Matt Johnson. Look at this. He's trying to do this. Oh, look at that. Clothesline by Macho Man. Macho Man. Oh, look at that. Although I forgot to mention, there's no disqualification. And look at this. He's getting the sledgehammer. No. Oh! Sparks are flying out of the sledgehammer. Look at that. Oh, right there. Brutal. The punishment by the Macho Man. Oh, look at that. Oh, a backbreaker right there on the spot. And look at this going for a cover. But, oh, look at that.
He should have known that wasn't enough.
Right there, the Macho Man. And look at this. Oh, look. Oh, he just hit the referee. Oh, the referee is just letting these two guys right there. They're going right at it. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, look at this. Max is not getting any offense until that just happened. Oh, Macho Man. Oh, Max is getting right back to his feet. Oh, Macho Man. And is seriously knocking it down. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, flip and a leg drop. Ooh. It didn't really do much against the Macho Man. And oh, look at this. Macho Man is doing that down there. Oh, back down to the floor. Oh, Macho Man. And going to work right. Oh, look at this. From the top rope down to the onto ringside. He doesn't perform it. All the Macho is doing this. He's breaking the leg of the Macho Man. Oh, back down again. Oh, look at this. He's in the ring. Oh, senton. Oh, look at this. Rack attack.
The champ might have just ended things right there. There it is.
Oh, look at that. He kicked out.
Into the match, and he still seems so fresh. It's almost unbelievable.
Oh, look at this.
The arsenal was not enough. Brutal club.
Oh, look at this. Oh, he missed the big boots. Oh, punch right there. Look at this. He attempted the power driver. Look at this. He slams it on his head. Oh, look at this. Oh, Macho Man. Oh, look at this ringside. Macho Man. Look at this. Macho Man goes for a second attempt. He lands it. He's going for the pin right there. It's all over. The Macho Man just became the new United States title champion.
Here is your winner, and new WCW United States Champion, Macho Man Randy Savage.
The Macho Man Randy Savage has won the title. We're back on for the WCW Championship next.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WCW Championship.
Here we are for the main event of Thunder, and it is going to be none other than the Nature Boy Ric Flair versus Brandon Collins for the WCW Championship. And right now, as we speak, here comes the Nature Boy Ric Flair. Look at this with the WCW Championship on his mind to try and win that title. So I bet very well he's going to try and get the opportunity, no matter how many times he has to put on the figure 4 leg lock against Brandon Collins.
Are you guys ready?
But the best bet of what Brandon Collins is thinking in his head is Starcade. Because remember, he's going to go up against 5 other competitors in this match. So obviously he can't think about the match with Ric Flair. This could be the last time and Brandon Collins walks in as WCW champion. Yeah. And look at this, he's supporting an old red attire. Clearly looking, dapper and chapping this. Anyway, the match here, and look at this, this is WCW Championship. And as mentioned, we're going to have a #1 contenders match for the WCW Championship at ECW. So look after that on Saturday. We're getting ready to see this contest right here. It'll be a fatal 5-way match at Starcade. And when the talk is over, let's go with this match. Oh, BDE's starting off strong here. And look at this Ric Flair. Oh, look at this. Oh, right on the head.
slip away from that.
Oh, look at this. Oh, a springboard cross body. Ric Flair. Oh, look. Punches.
Nice
Oh.
combine there.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. He's... Oh, look at this. BDE is swapping over. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, right there. Oh, missed. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Ric Flair and Brandon Collins starting up with punches and kicks. And look at this. Reverse the hip toss.
And he exits the ring. Better watch the count.
Oh, look at this. Brandon Collins right here. Gonna get to the top rope. Oh, right there. Look at this. He just like that. And look at this. Missed the drop kick. Oh, look at this. That grappling again. And look at this. They're pushing each other into the corner. Oh, look at this. He's giving off cheap shots to it. Oh, missed it. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this.
Averting danger with an elbow to the stomach.
It is his.
Oh.
And that'll put an abrupt end to his little one-man show.
Oh, look at this. Right into the core. Drop down. Oh, right down. To the face of Brandon Collins. Oh, look at that. He kicked that.
Doesn't bode well if you still can't get
Oh, look at that.
one count by now.
Look at that code break.
Connects with the kick. Bam! Oh, predicted what was coming.
Ooh, nice.
Taking any damage.
Each counter leaving these competitors at a stalemate.
Oh, look at this. A spectacular suplex. Oh, look at this. The moment we're all been waiting for. Here he goes, the figure 4 leg lock. Look at this.
The leg is only getting cinched in deeper, struggling to force a break. This is the time to scratch and claw.
Oh, look at this. Ric Flair. And now, oh, look at that. Brandon Collins has turned the tides on the Nature Boy. Oh my goodness, this is a... Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, look at this. Going right there, and a powerbomb. Oh, brutaculous.
Challengers in a bad way.
But the question now is, can you find a response through the pain?
And the match is still... And look at this. Oh, look at this. Hit a clothesline. Oh, he missed it. Oh, look at that. Oh, he tended the Claymore. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this.
One step ahead there. Series of counters here. Who will finally capitalize?
Oh, look at this. Going. Oh, look at that. Falling for the DDT.
Slips away just in time.
Oh.
This is what he feeds off of.
Oh, look at this. He's going straight to the middle.
Big match feel.
Oh, look at this. Going for another figure 4 leg lock attempt. The figure 4 leg lock.
Submission is in. Oh, look at this. Trying to spin his body on the stomach.
Oh, look at this. Ric Flair.
And that'll break the hold.
Oh, look at that.
He just flipped the script there.
Find some payback with their own reversal.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Going for another cover. 1, 2. He never had a cover, but look at that. He kicked that.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out.
Oh, look at this. Oh, kick. Oh, my knee of glory. Look at this, going for another cover with here 1, 2, and 3, and Brandon Collins retains the WCW Championship.
Here is your winner, and still WCW Champion, Brandon Collins.
Brandon Collins retains the WCW Championship. We'll be back on with ECW next.